Aletha with WTI, and this is my LunchBots lunchbox. It's very small, but it's very spacious at the same time. It's not as small as it really looks. So if you want to be able to take your lunch with you and not have to carry a huge lunchbox, maybe you want to send it in the book bag of your child to school. This is a great little box to have. It's airtight. I only put things in it that's not going to spill over. It's made out of tin, and you can easily wash it in the dishwasher. As you can see, it has 4 compartments, 2 very small compartments and 2 larger compartments on the side. This lunchbox is small, but not that small. I can compare it to the size of a sponge. So that's about as big as it is. You see, it has enough room for just what you need to take along with you. It's not as small as you think. It does hold quite a bit. It's small enough to put in my bag. So when I'm on the go, all I have to do is take it, put it in my bag, and I'm ready to go. So the LunchBots lunchbox is perfect for on the go to take your portion size, proteins, fruits, and vegetables with you every single day. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that is just my point of view.